Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on our channel. Today we're going to be diving into something that genuinely feels like a turning point in the way research, science, and innovation move forward. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of academic work, for example, from digging in through endless research papers to manually drafting citations, creating grant proposals, or prepping data for analysis, then what I'm about to show you might just change the way you work forever. We're going to dive right into SciSpace Agent, but before we do, a quick disclaimer, we are not in any way affiliated with any of the projects that review on our channels, so definitely make sure to do your own due diligence, and as always, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions at the very end of the video, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. Let me introduce you to something that's not just another productivity hack or AI tool. This is SciSpace Agent, and it's built specifically for the scientific community. Think of it as a new kind of research partner, one that actually understands the complex workflows and pain points researchers face daily. Unlike general purpose AIs, which are great for casual queries, but fall short when it comes to serious academic depth, SciSpace Agent is vertical by design. It's built from the ground up with researchers, students, and R&D professionals in mind, and it's ready to tackle everything from literature reviews to publication-ready writing with zero fluff. Now, if you've ever used SciSpace in the past, you'll know it's already offered some great tools. A literature search engine, PDF reader, manuscript assistant, all very useful, but scattered. You had to jump between tools to complete your workflow. But with SciSpace Agent, all of that is unified in one powerful prompt-based assistant. You type your research goal, and the agent handles the rest. It searches across academic databases, processes papers, extracts key information, structures it, and even generates citations. Want to turn your notes into a draft paper, generate a research proposal, or prepare a visual summary for a conference? Done. One tool, one interface, total control. And what really blew me away, it's not just smart, it's intuitively aligned with real scientific workflows. For example, let's say you're investigating a new area in quantum computing. With SciSpace Agent, you can literally start with a prompt like summarize the most recent developments in quantum error correction. And it will return a fully sourced, structured literature digest, complete with context, citations, and even suggestions for further exploration. It doesn't just gather text. It analyzes, organizes, and delivers knowledge the way a real research assistant would. That kind of value would normally take hours, if not days. You can even take it a step further. Let's say you're applying for a research grant or preparing a pitch. SciSpace Agent can actually draft grant proposals, analyze patent data, and help visualize your findings. It can automate the creation of scientific posters, slide decks, or structured reports. The integration with publishing tools and academic databases is so deep, it feels like you've hired a personal research analyst who's never off the clock. I've personally tested on a few sample projects and watching it work in real time as it pulls data, generates summaries, and formats everything. It's genuinely impressive. Now, one standout feature is how much time and mental bandwidth it saves. According to their benchmarks, SciSpace Agent can actually reduce research task time by up to 90%. And from my own experience, that's not just marketing talk. When you remove the tedious steps, citation formatting, summarizing multiple PDFs, drafting initial outlines, you're only left with more time for creative, strategic thinking, and that's where breakthroughs really happen. So, who is this for? Whether you're a PhD student, journal editor, data scientist, or someone working in corporate R&D, SciSpace Agent helps you cut through the noise and focus on the insights that matters. It's a complete shift in how we approach knowledge work, replacing repetition with real productivity. So if you want to see all this in action, I've included an early access link right at the top of the description down below. It's super easy to get started, and here's the best part. New users can unlock a limited time 40% discount on add-on credits. Now, before we wrap up, a quick reminder. This launch is happening July 30th. And you don't want to miss the opportunity to be the one of the first to truly integrate SciSpace Agent into your research workflow. All links, including the early access portal and product blog, are in the description down below. And trust me, this is the kind of thing that you want to explore before it becomes mainstream. So if you're excited about the future of AI and scientific research, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a colleague, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tools just like this one. I've got more reviews coming your way, from AI productivity agents to tools built for crypto devs and beyond. Having said that, that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's the smarter, faster, more impactful research with SciSpace Agent. Thank you again for watching, and I really hope to see you all in the next video.